Hello and welcome from the 3E Center. It's a sunny day in August 2019. I'm sitting here in our garden. In the background you can see our center and also the car park. Today I want to share with you an interesting discovery. It's about understanding studies. Studies very often use two terminologies. One is progression-free time and the other one is overall survival time. And very often studies have big headlines, like we had a huge headline here the other day in July about pancreatic cancer. It was basically said literally that there is a huge improvement from this kind of treatment if you have that cancer. And I was very impressed because pancreatic cancer, massive improvement. I really wanted to see what they mean by that. So I got the study and I looked up the study and I could see the progression-free period. So basically when tumor is shrinking or getting smaller or it's not so big anymore, that improved from 3.6 months to 7.4 months. That was an improvement, clearly. But at the same time, the overall survival rate was beforehand 18.1 months, and with that treatment 18.9 months. So you're not living much longer with that treatment, and the progression time, however, was bigger. So we have to understand, and you have to understand, what are you looking for? Are you looking for progression free time, or are you looking overall survival time? And we understand most people want overall survival time, and that did not improve. The costs were dramatic, by the way. For 1 month's treatment, it's about 6,700 euros, so that's almost equal to US dollars. So if you take it for 10 months, it's 67,000 euros or dollars. And at the same time, it was supported, as I said, from the manufacturer of that medication. So be careful when it comes to studies, really read them, what it means. We wish you a fantastic day. All the best until the next video from the 3E Center.